Thank you. Please watch this short video. It will show you how to get massive free traffic from YouTube and Google. Fact: most people want or need more traffic, and most people are looking to get free traffic. Fact: it's harder to rank an article or blog than ever before, and with penguins and pandas it's even harder to keep them ranked. Fact: it's easier to rank videos these days, even for some tough keywords. But how do we go about doing it? Well, the first step and the main thing to do is to optimize your video properly. And what I'm talking about here is the title, the tags and the description when you upload your video. Now, this can be tricky, especially if you're not really sure how to do it. So that's why I made this cool video optimizer wizard. It's a piece of software that's so easy to use. Basically, all you do is to answer questions about your video, fill in the blanks with the information that's asked for, and out pops a fully optimized subject, description and tags for your video. Listen, this is the main way of ranking videos both in YouTube and Google, and this software has been tested time and again and gets videos on page 1 often within hours. And there's more. The description text is automatically spun, so it's unlikely ever to be the same twice. It will be equally optimized, and you won't have hundreds of videos with the exact same descriptions. So you have the choice. You can keep trying to write optimized text for each video, or get proven optimization in a few clicks and see your videos get on page 1. Remember, people love videos, and review videos convert like gangbusters, but only if people see them. So it's important to get visibility. In just a few clicks you can enjoy page 1 rankings and all that free traffic that comes with it. Take the first step to becoming a YouTube video rock star. Scroll down and grab your copy of my Tube Optimizer Wizard. Now, I've made this really inexpensive so anybody can afford it. Don't let a measly few bucks stop you from getting your videos ranked on page 1 time and time again. So scroll down and choose the version that suits your budget and use it every time you put a new video on YouTube. So grab your software right now, scroll down and hit Add to Cart. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you for getting hold of this software.